So today I'm making a puttanesca style pasta, which is amazing because it's ready in 5 minutes and everything you'll probably have at home. First step is to get your pasta water on, get it rapidly boiling, really salty, just like the ocean. Today we're using a semolina based pasta. It's really chewy and really tasty, so if you've got a thin sauce, you'll get a lot of texture from your pasta. So first step is to chop the garlic. Don't be precious about it. It's nice, big chunks. If your garlic's too small, I find that it just fries. So next is the Sicilian green olives. Really amazing flavour, a little bit tricky because they've got pip in, but we just chop around. I like to put a good handful. Today we're using Saute Capers. They've got a much better flavour, but they are obviously cured in salt, so we need to wash that off. Okay, so the first bit of prep is done, and all we need to do now is just saute this down with liquid gold, the oil from the anchovies. The anchovies will actually dissolve in the oil, you don't need to chop them. We're just going to add in our garlic and the olives and capers. So once you have sauteed all of your capers, anchovies and olives, we're going to put the zest of the lemons, not the juice. Zest is really full of flavour and will cut through all the saltiness from the other ingredients. Big ingredient in this dish is lots of parsley. Pasta's ready, so never drain it off in the sink. We're just going to scoop it straight from the pot and into the pan. The starchy water from the pasta actually helps your oil and sauce to stick. All this parsley, I know it seems like a lot, but it's basically our vegetable. Okay, so the ricotta, I don't stir it the whole way through because I think it's really beautiful in big chunks like this. And we're ready to go. Twist your plate when you put your spaghetti down and it won't go everywhere. And then it wouldn't be Italian food without parmesan. So that's it, my take on puttanesca, an easy at home meal. Hope you liked it and we'll see you next time.